Hi YouTube! Today I want to show you how you can overclock an MT6592 octa-core phone. This is my G-Arc X3S phone that I'm demonstrating it on. So what is happening here? We all know that the CPU is clocked at 1.7 GHz out of the box, but we also know that it also supports 2 GHz, and this is exactly what we want to achieve right now. What do we have to do? Well, first of all, you need to make sure that the phone has root access. This will only work on rooted phones. I use the Frameroot version 1.9.1 to root my phone. You may have to use a different rooting method depending on your phone. What do we have to do next? Well, we need some sort of root explorer, but this will also work with the ES File Explorer, so I'm using it right now because it's free from the Play Store. We go into menu and we have to make sure that the root explorer is set to on. Next thing, we go into the root directory of the phone. We are looking for the system folder. And right here we are looking for the build prop. Click on it, open it as ES Node Explorer. On the top right we go into edit and we want to add a line. Please make sure to be able to pause the video any second now, because I'm going to show you the line that I added already. Let me look for it. Right there. This is what you have to add in order to set the clock speed to 2 GHz. We exit the ES File Explorer and save the changes. I don't need to save anything because I have added the line already. And now you need to reboot your phone. Now let's see if this has worked. As we all know, the MT6592 clocked at 1.7 GHz. Scores at around 27,000 points on Antutu. Now let's see how it scores now. There you have it. Now it scores at an amazing 36,000 points. Please keep in mind that you're doing all of this at your own risk, and this will only work one day of the year. Have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.